Here's how to make a ZT. Here are the stats of the ZT. The length when the mod is closed is 16 centimeters, and the length when the mod is extended is 22 centimeters. And the mass for this mod is 21.8 grams. Here are the pens you will need. 2 zebra telescopics. Make sure you get the ones with the metal screws on the back instead of the stylus screw. 1 Bic round stick grip, and 1 grip that can fit in the middle of the ZT. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Pentel RSVP grip since these are pretty easy to find. And if you have some extra grips lying around, you can actually put grips on the ends of the ZT to make it good for wipers. Here are the tools you will need. Let's get started. Take your ZTs and completely disassemble the pens. From the ZT parts, you'll keep 2 barrels and 2 metal screws. Now take the metal screws and put them back on the barrels. Now take your Bic round stick and remove the ink tube. Now remove the front part of the Bic round stick grip. Remove the grip from the front part. Now cut 2.4 centimeters from the back part of the barrel. File your barrel as needed. In the end, your barrel should look something like this. Now wrap your barrel in enough tape so it can fit inside the ZTs. Check to see if your barrel fits inside the ZT. Now take your pen with a grip and remove the grip. Now take your grip and put it on the ZT barrel. Now take your Bic round stick grip piece and put it inside of the barrel. Now take your other ZT and assemble the pen. Now once you get both of your pieces together, go on ahead and push the grip towards the center. And there you go. That's how you make a ZT.